In this video, I'm going to show you a complete Chained Together checkpoints guide. So, checkpoint saves in Chained Together are exclusive to the beginner difficulty level. So if you're playing on any other level than beginner, you can't have checkpoints, but if you're playing on the beginner level, you can. This feature is meant to assist new players as they learn the game, and in case of a failure with checkpoints, you will still be able to respawn at the checkpoint you're currently saved at. So currently, there are 3 known checkpoints in the game, so only 3, identified by a player named It's San Carlo in Steam, so shout out to him, I found this information from him, and yes, make sure to check him out. So, the first checkpoint, according to him, I've actually managed to get a screenshot from different YouTube videos over here, is at 576 meters, so this is checkpoint 1, it looks like this over here, as you can see. And then the second checkpoint is at 1675 meters, so as you can see it looks like this. And then the third checkpoint is at about, as you can see over here, 2757 meters, and it looks like this, okay? So your progress will be saved at these points, allowing you to resume from these distances even if you fall back. So if you're already climbing and you have a checkpoint and you climb further and you manage to fall below the checkpoint, you will respawn at the checkpoint. It doesn't matter where you finished off or where you fell or failed the game, okay? So yes, as I said, checkpoint saves are only available on beginner, so you won't be able to rank on the leaderboards if you complete the run when you're using these checkpoints. Okay, so make sure that if you want checkpoints, you choose the beginner difficulty. But if you want to rank on the leaderboard, you can't play in the beginner difficulty and cannot have any checkpoints. So that's pretty much it. That was your checkpoint guide. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.